What do you want, ate? Chocolate? I'll eat their chocolate. Okay. Go.
Guys, we're gonna eat matcha ice cream. Oh my god, Peter spilled ice cream on me.
What's your flavor, Peter?
Pudding. I think it's pudding. Yeah, pudding. Can I try?
Putlawan.
No, I don't. I think it's just bitter, guys.
Glico po siya. Para itong lami gahapon. It's from Glico. That bitte is from
It
Glico.
looks like from. Is it from bitter?
Glico, like this. It's the same company.
Guys, we have a video that we eat matcha snacks. We ate matcha snacks already.
And this one is your first time eating matcha ice cream. Oh my god.
I already eat matcha ice cream before.
In Kyoto?
Yeah.
In Kyoto.
Yeah, with Natsu.
You
with
know
my
that's the
cousin.
yummiest.
Yeah. I can see.
Ay, di siya makita. Me, can I try?
I try too.
So good.
It tastes like chocolate.
Like white chocolate with matcha, right?
It's yummy.
Can I taste
Let
it?
me.
Can I
Ay,
taste the matcha?
because this is chocolate matcha.
Can I taste?
Ah.
Lami.
Like it. Can I change?
Lami.
Can I have one bite na lang?
Big bite. Nay, chocolate ba sa taas pang? Ay, what the?
Huh?
It's covered with chocolate. Chocolate matcha. Right?
I'll taste
I'm here too.
Next time I'm gonna choose matcha. But because matcha is expensive.
chocolate.
It's 100
Three.
because it fights.
It's so good.
It's sugar with.
What's the vanilla for? What is this for? The white ones.
I know. Dili daw siya makita.
What's the white ones? Let me try.
That's mine, right? Because you don't have yours. Because everything is bad too. I'm gonna share. Peter, can you try your pudding? Caramel pudding?
Yeah.
It's so good. It's so sweet. It's not good for me.
Matcha ice cream. It tastes good. Let's do it together, like from the YouTube. Looks like on the YouTube. Wait.
Laway, anak.
The crumbs are actually good.
Peter, you wanna eat matcha?
I want to eat chocolate. I want to eat matcha chocolate.
Ask mama kay ako ng flirting na.
Open.
Sis po.
Hey, Pop.
Can you pull it?
I can't.
Pull it. Pull this. No, pull this.
How to food? What food?
Not full. Pull.
Pull? Pull? Apple? Like this? Apple.
What's full means?
I'm full.
Pull. Pull with a P. Tama man. Pulingit na taan. Oh, I did it, guys. Look at Peter's ice cream pudding. Oh my gosh. Ah, can I have that?
Wait, I got it.
A small ice cream. I
I'm
got
so
a small.
sorry.
It's okay. It's my fault.
And you want a small matcha ice
I
cream
got a
too?
small matcha ice cream, you guys.
That's not matcha.
I pudding ice cream.
Can you remove it? Oh, I know.
Actually good.
Mm. Yes, it's
Oh,
good.
I don't know.
Sit down na.
Mama,
Yeah. You need to be fast because it's gonna drip.
Matcha.
Iki bite.
but I'm almost done. Mama, but I'm almost done.
Yeah. Sit down.
Yes, matcha.
No? Good choice kay siya. Share lang pagid minitas siya. Ay, ginoo ko! Ngano imo man na? Mahulog na diha. Gisuhid po niya. Kabalong delikado. Peter, gamay raman na kay Peter. Nakutas yang oy. What's this? Matcha. Nanuhid po siya, guys. Hindi, makatas ay. Bye, guys.
Bye.
We're gonna continue to be dirty out here.
Wipes. Ayan.